Did MITQ come to the market with a huge amount of shots or what? The stock debuted at $3 and it was just on the 7th of July. It was just 7th of July. This is not even up to a whole. Okay, it has just completed 2 trading sessions and the stock has run up 600% and some fraction. So right now, as we speak, we can see what's going on here. This is live. It is trading at 26.26, up 9.42% in this pre-market session of the 9th of July. Yes, the stock has retraced, now trading in between its 10-day and 20-day moving averages. Momentum is waning significantly. It's currently oversold at the moment. So let's have a look and see what the daily model is saying. Yes, the daily model will show that it has not been trading for a long time at all. Yes, it might take some time before it shows up. Yes, you can see that there isn't any of the moving averages in sight because it is so far away. They're so far away from it. So let's see whether we can get a better picture of things. This is the 10-minute model. This it's also indicating it is still trading in between the 10 and the 20-day moving averages. Here we can see the 50-day moving average. We can also see the volume weighted average price. For the 10-day model, it's 10-minute model, it is very strongly bullish. The momentum is strongly bullish. So this is the 10-minute model. Let's have a look and see whether the 30-minute model will indicate something different. Yes, it is indicating something different. It is. Let's see the 60-minute model. Yes, not a lot of data, not a lot of data points, because the stock has not really traded for a very long time. So I think that we'll just stick to the 1-minute model. Yes, we expect it to indicate the graphics to look different. So yes, what is common with it has what is common with some of the stock that have been on squeeze of late. It is a software application company and it also has a tiny float. So let us see, it has a tiny float here. See that, 9.867 million shares. By some measures, that is even a lot. We've seen some with about 1 billion shares. Yes, so it they didn't even wait for the stock to arrive, and they just hit it. It just blew it off the radar. It's already gone beyond the moon, you know. So for some reason we can't even pick up from where it started trading. We can't. This is the 8th of July. For some reason this is not allowing us to print the 7th of July data, but we'll try and see whether we can continue to do that. Okay, let's expand this and see what it's going to present to us. Let's expand it all the way, see whether we can present it, expand it all the way to the 7th of July. Let's see whether we can expand it. Okay, let's use this. Okay, so I think it started trading on the 8th, probably, yeah. So but in any case, we have figures here. What the date? For some reason it's not July 8th. Okay, it's strictly July 8th. You can see that. For some reason it's indicating it started trading at 13.25, but some of the sites are saying it's $3. So it began at 13.25. And within a few minutes, I believe, within a few minutes, it had reached 24.33. So this sort of figures we're looking at right now, they're not exactly Okay, well, yes, that was yesterday the 8th. That was when that was, so it's not exactly out of place. Yeah, so it reached that, so there was a resistance. 24 24.24 was the resistance, and it closed at $24. And then just before the market closed again, it reached 24.26. I think probably breaking that resistance. But right now in this pre-market session, it has broken all of those resistances and has reached 26.11 or 26.06 at the moment. So let's just bring it all the way back again, and yes, right now it is strongly bullish. Evidently all the signals are strongly bullish. We don't even know very much about the company, so let's even try and see what the company does. Moving images, for sure it's definitely a software application company. You can see here it says moving images technology stock hit circuit breaker twice after pricing IPO at $3 per share. Let's read this piece from Benzinga. Okay, digital cinema company, moving images tech. Okay, that's what they do. Price 4.2 million shares at $3 per share to raise $12.6 million in its IPO. The shares began trading today on New York Stock Exchange. That was yesterday. The stock continued to trade higher and hit the circuit breaker twice. The last halt was at $15.87. The underwriter can purchase up to an additional 630,000 shares within 45 days from the offering price. It will utilize the offering proceeds to fund expansion of its sales and marketing activities, with the balance added to the working capital. Bofstead Securities LLC acted as the sole underwriter for the offering. So yes, that's what it is. That's what the stock. That's the little we know about the stock. So it's seen here. Okay, let's return back there and see what's going on. So it has lost some value now, down to 25.90. So this is live. This is what's going on right now, live in the pre-market session. The pre-market session is 55.42 seconds old. So right now we are in the pre-market right now. So what you are pretty much seeing is what's going on right now, live for moving image technologies. So let's see again what's there isn't very much here for the stock. Yes, we have seen those resistances we saw earlier on that live model. So with this extension, it has broken all of those, and it's saying here it has a 9.867 million shares outstanding. But probably this is according to what we're seeing over there. We just read over there on Benzinga. What is probably available to be traded may even be less. So all of those will definitely, it's very small float, will definitely cause stocks to go really volatile. Because a small demand, any demand at all will tend to cause the price to go up, and also given all that is going on as well now, the fear of missing out, we'll see the sort of gains we are talking about here, over 600% extension in one session alone, 600% in one session alone. So we have an extension of 8.33% now. So just be really careful with moving images technology. It has run up a tremendous amount of extension in just one trading session, 600%. Just be really careful. Know what you're doing with the stock. and let's see how things pan out in the subsequent sessions, and we will do our best to continue to update you as it concerns the stock moving images technology. So thank you very much for watching this video.